Welcome to Chapter 2, Section 2. In this video, I will provide you with a brief explanation of Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, widely known as MBTI. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator is a personality assessment tool widely used to understand individual psychological preferences and how they perceive the world and make decisions. Based on Carl Jung's theory of psychological types, the MBTI categorizes personality into 16 distinct types derived from 4 dichotomies. The MBTI was developed by Catherine Cook Briggs and her daughter Isabella Briggs Myers during the World War II, inspired by Carl Jung's books, Psychological Types. The goal was to make Jung's theory accessible and useful in people's daily lives and workplaces. The first MBTI manual was published in 1962, and since then, the instrument has undergone several revisions and updates to improve its reliability and validity. The MBTI consists of a self-report questionnaire designed to identify a person's personality types based on 4 dichotomies. Each dichotomy represents a spectrum, and individuals fall somewhere along each spectrum, leading to 16 possible personality types. The assessment typically involves a series of first-choice questions where respondents select the option that best describes their preferences. These are the 4 dichotomies. Extroversion, introversion. Extroverts are energized by interactions with the external world. They tend to be outgoing, talkative, and enjoy social activities. They focus on the outer world of people and activities. Introverts are energized by solitary activities and small group interactions. They are often reflective, reserved, and prefer spending time alone or with a close-knit group. They focus on the inner world of ideas and experiences. Sensing, intuition. Sensors pay attention to concrete information gathered from their 5 senses. They are detail-oriented, practical, and prefer focusing on facts and present realities. Intuitives look at the big picture and are more interested in patterns, possibilities, and future implications. They tend to be imaginative, abstract thinkers who enjoy exploring ideas and theories. Thinking, feeling. Thinkers prioritize logic and objective criteria when making decisions. They value fairness, consistency, and tend to be analytical and detached in their decision-making process. Feelers prioritize the values and subjective considerations. They are empathetic, value harmony, and make decisions based on personal values and their impact on others. Judging, perceiving. Judges prefer structured, organized, and planned lifestyle. They tend to make decisions and have things settled and decided. Perceivers prefer flexible, spontaneous, and adaptable lifestyle. They like to keep their options open and are comfortable with change and unpredictability. By combining one preference from each of the 4 dichotomies, the MBTI creates 16 unique personality types. Each type is denoted by 4-letter code corresponding to the individual's preferences. Here are the 16 types and a brief description of each. ISTJ. Introversion, sensing, thinking, judging. An inspector. Practical, fact-minded, responsible. ISFJ. Introversion, sensing, feeling, judging. The protector. Warm, considerate, dedicated. INFJ. Introversion, intuition, feeling, judging. The advocate. Insightful, inspiring, compassionate. INTJ. Introversion, intuition, thinking, judging. The architect, strategic, logical, innovative. ISTP, introversion, sensing, thinking, perceiving. The virtuoso, bold, practical, and experimental. ISFP, introversion, sensing, feeling, and perceiving. The artist, sensitive, easygoing, and creative. INFP, introversion, intuition, feeling, perceiving. The mediator, idealistic, empathetic, and imaginative. INTP, introversion, intuition, thinking, perceiving. The thinker, analytical, abstract, and curious. ESTP, extroversion, sensing, thinking, perceiving. The persuader, energetic, perceptive, and bold. ESFP, extroversion, sensing, feeling, and perceiving. The performer, playful, enthusiastic, and sociable. ENFP, extroversion, intuition, feeling, perceiving. The champion, enthusiastic, creative, and free-spirited. ENTP, extroversion, intuition, thinking, perceiving. The debater, quick-witted, energetic, and outspoken. ESTJ, extroversion, sensing, thinking, judging. The director, organized, practical, and logical. ESFJ, extroversion, sensing, feeling, judging. The caregiver, friendly, caring, and cooperative. ENFJ, extroversion, intuition, feeling, judging. The protagonist, charismatic, inspiring, and altruistic. ENTJ, extroversion, intuition, thinking, judging. The commander, assertive, strategic, and efficient. The MBTI is extensively used in various organizational contexts. For example, career development, helping individuals understand their strengths and potential career paths that align with their personal types. Team building, facilitating better communication and collaboration among team members by understanding each other's personality types. Leadership development, assisting leaders in recognizing their management style and how to effectively lead diverse teams. Conflict resolution, providing insights into differing perspectives and how to address conflicts constructively. Despite its popularity, the MBTI has faced considerable criticism, particularly regarding its reliability and validity. Test-retest reliability measures the consistency of results when the same test is administered to the same group of people at different points in time. Studies have shown that the MBTI has a problem in this aspect because it often fails to produce consistent results over time. Studies show that individuals can receive different personality types when retaking the test after a short period. Besides, concerns have been raised about the MBTI's construct validity or how well the test measures what it purports to measure. Some researchers argue that the MBTI does not accurately capture the complexity of human personality. The MBTI's reliance on first-choice items and dichotomous scoring limits the depth of statistical analysis and may not accurately reflect the nuances of individual personalities. The MBTI's binary categorization of personality traits has been criticized for oversimplifying personality. Many psychologists prefer models that consider personality traits on a continuum, such as the Big Five personality traits. The relationship between MBTI types and job performance is a topic of ongoing research. Some studies suggest that certain personality types may be more suited to specific job roles. However, the evidence is mixed, and the predictive validity of the MBTI for job performance remains contentious. A recent study explored the strength of the relationship between MBTI personality types and leadership performance, particularly in the context of Colombian universities. The results show that the correlation between MBTI types and leadership performance is weak, suggesting that while MBTI can be a useful tool for understanding individual differences and fostering team learning, its predictive power regarding leadership effectiveness is limited. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator remains a widely utilized tool for understanding personality and facilitating personal and professional development. However, it is not without criticism. Issues related to reliability and validity, as well as its binary approach to categorizing personality traits, have raised questions about its scientific robustness. While some research suggests potential links between MBTI personality types and job performance, the evidence remains inconclusive. Despite these criticisms, the MBTI continues to be a popular instrument, offering a structured method for exploring and understanding human personality. The MBTI can foster greater self-awareness and improve interpersonal dynamics. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.